Hello everyone, I've got some brand new beautiful Koko&Claire to share with you. This is the Midsummer Sparkle Gel Polish Trio. It is absolutely gorgeous and so sparkly. I'm going to show you a cool tutorial on how you can blend them together for a really beautiful ombre. So follow along. The best way to use these is to put down a little dollop of each color so that your brushes don't get contaminated with the other colors. You can see I'm just putting down a drop of each one. Then using a small detail brush, here I'm using the Fusion Oval number 2, but any detail brush will work. Lightly blend your polishes together, fading the sparkles into each other. It's easier to do this with a detail brush as it gives you a bit more precision and you don't contaminate your bottles with the other colors. Blend until you're happy with the results and allow your gel polish to self-level for a few seconds once you're done blending. When you're happy with your look, give it a full cure and a top coat, and that's all that's required. These gorgeous, sparkly colors will stun your clients. They're beautiful on their own, but even more beautiful when you blend them together. Here's a look at them in action. Can't wait to see what you do with them.